Here's my review of the Carson MicroBrite Plus. This is a microscope by Carson, which really is quite nice. So let's take a look at some of the features. First of all, down here it's got the clear siding, and when you use the microscope, basically you put it on a flat surface and that keeps it nice and stable. You can also turn on the LED light by just flicking the switch, make it nice and clear when you look in there. Now there are two adjustments here. This one is the zoom, so this goes from 60x zoom all the way to 120x zoom. And as we move that, you can probably see, but the mechanism inside here moves a bit as well. Now this is the focus knob here. So when you put this onto something to look at, you can turn the LED light on, you can zoom to about where you want to be, and then you can focus the picture. Now overall this thing works very, very good. It's a little bit hard for kids to use it. They need a bit of assistance getting it to look good, but with a little bit of education you could teach your kids how to use this and they will absolutely love it. Now inside here you've got the battery pack. This thing takes a AA battery to power that LED light. Easy to get in and out, and you're good to go. So I hope you enjoy this microscope by Carson.